Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Ford Ranger Dual Cab XL, stock reference number 4798. This shape runs from the 6-month 2011 through to the 6-month 2015. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Left hand tail light does have a few scratches. It's got a tidy rear bumper. Park sensor type, colour coded. Aftermarket CJM tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, twin plug type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, display screen, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.